Hi, Lydia. Lydia, look up. Hey, you want to say hi to your grandpa and grandma? Want to say hi to your grandpa and grandma? Look at you sitting up like a big girl. Are you a big girl? Is that your pacifier? Who are you looking at? Is that Isabel? You can go see her? Oh, bunk. That's nice. Put your hands up here, see if she'll come to you. You can go see Isabel? Oh, you're gonna try. There she goes. Oh, you're standing up? Look at that. Look how big you are. Look at you. You're so big. Is that Isabel? Isabel, say hi to Lydia. She's talking to you.
She's licking the hair. The bed. She's licking it. Baby's licking.
Marcus, you want to go get those cookies because I'm busy? What do you think?
I want to get these cookies.
You can help Marcus get the cookies.
Okay.
She's going to help. Lydia, what are you watching? Is that the kitty going by? You're such a big girl pulling yourself up like that. Yeah, you're a big girl. Charlie, no. Such a big girl. Be careful. Wow. Bonk. On you go.